What is up, you guys? Welcome to another video. There is some snow, so we are gonna drift this corner. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, stuff is flying. Okay, so we are gonna have some lunch, but we are gonna quickly drive over to our good friend, the exhaust shop, right down the street from our workplace. Oh my god, y'all people are crazy when you drive. Holy. And we are gonna get the X-pipe installed. All right, so let's just go down the street. Vroom, vroom. Okay, so let's remember that sound. That's for the record on video for myself and for you guys. That is the exhaust noise that the car makes. Yes. Oh, sounds absolutely mental. Insane. Yo, that is amazing. Okay, we are gonna put this X-pipe into the C63 AMG. Holy bumps. All right, be right back, guys. Let's get the car up on the hoist. Hopefully it's not too expensive. Our good friend National Muffler. All right, let go. Alrighty then, guys, we got the exhaust. It's gonna go on the car. We're raising it up. Let's see what's going on underneath, and then we'll put this X-pipe in. It's just gonna go boom, just like that, right? Movie magic. Okay, guys, we are gonna get this X-pipe installed. The professionals are working. That's it. And underneath over there we have our oil leak, and honestly it is still leaking from the valve cover, unfortunately. I don't know why. We did everything literally correctly. I still don't understand what the hell the problem is. Let's go have some lunch and think about it. Damn it, I swear we did everything correctly, but I still see that it's leaking from the valve cover gasket. Like, oh man, this is really frustrating. Like, we did everything perfectly, but I still get a little bit of smoke coming from the engine base sometimes, but it looks like it's pretty bad. But I still don't understand, like, we seated it perfectly. Like, what the hell could it be leaking from? I don't get it. Anyways, we're gonna get that exhaust welded and get a nicer, beautiful sound from the, holy crap, that dude is blaring. We're gonna get a nice, beautiful exhaust welded in, fix a little bit more piping. Eventually we'll get a nice exhaust for the car, but until then we will be just enjoying the let's just say aftermarket regular exhaust that we are currently setting up. So it is what it is, nothing we can do, but I really do want to figure out what the hell is going on with that valve cover leak, because that is not normal. We did everything properly. How could it still be leaking from the driver's side, from that back spot? I really hope nothing is like mechanically damaged, like for example the cylinder head. That'll be an absolute disaster. Oh, frustrations. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in a bit once we pick up the car. Alrighty then, you guys, let's hear the new C63 AMG exhaust. Oh yes, that sounds so much better. Yep, valve covers, blue smoke, we all know. Nice. Okay, it sounds a lot better. It sounds like proper now. It doesn't sound like the crappy old. There we go. There's our X-pipe right there. We can kind of see it. All looks good. Beautiful. Okay, hold up. Let me just see it. Where is it? Nice. Looking good. Beautiful. Okay. Let's drive it. We actually got a new pipe welded in. Thank you, Mr. National Muffler. Okay, let's go for a quick little drive back to work. Hoo-ah. Boom. Okay. Nice and warm in here, just like it's supposed to be. Yo, that exhaust is good now. But another problem is that we do have the valve cover leaking pretty badly. This is a little bit concerning. I am worried about that. We got to get it fixed. Oh boy. There we go. That's the sound that we're looking for. Way better. Now it sounds like an actual AMG. sound. It's not supposed to sound like that crazy like straight pipe monster. This sounds like not raspy, but what do you want to call it? Like, hold on. Let me put on my seatbelt. Like, guys, listen to this. This sounds way better. Hold up. I hope you guys can hear this. Hold on. Oh my God, there is so much cars, so many cars. Yo, can you guys like let a brother pass and drive? Like, I want to hear this. Come on, get out of the way. Oh, finally, let's go. Yes! That's how it's supposed to sound. Listen to that beauty. Hold up. Guys, listen to this exhaust. Yes! That's how it's supposed to sound. Much better. Now it sounds like not like a straight piped race car. It sounds like a totally different. Yes, you hear that? Yo, that sounds amazing. Yo, okay, let's give it a nice little rev, because I want to hear what it sounds like revving, because that is totally different. Wow. That sounds so much different. Listen to that. Hold up. What? That sounds way better. Hold up. Whoa! Yo, that sounds so much cooler. I love it. Yo, this exhaust is totally different. That sounds cool. Yo! Yo, before it sounded like I don't even know what you want to call it. It sounded like just grunty straight pipe or whatever you want to call it. Now it sounds just like a proper race car. I don't even know what you want to call it. Listen to this. Yo, I love it. Oh my God, guys, this makes me so freaking excited. That is amazing, absolutely amazing. Oh my God. Okay, let's shut her off. Guys, we are gonna drive this later. We're gonna review the exhaust sound. I will see y'all tomorrow or another time in a new video. Peace. Thank you, guys. Woo! Let's go.